Okay, we left Grand Prairie, went up the 97 to Dawson Creek, and that's where the mile marker 0 for the Alaskan Highway starts. Took our pictures. Then we went up here all the way to Fort Nelson, and we did some boondocking at a trailhead up there. Well, we didn't end up staying at the Walmart because it was just really dirty, and there were semis working on trucks and lots of traffic, and there was several cars where people were living in them. We don't mind van dwellers, but when they're not really clean, we tend to avoid that. We just didn't have a good feeling about the Walmart there. So a couple blocks down, we found it's called the Rotary RV Park, and she offered to let us stay next to her office, and she was really nice, and they had laundry right there, so we got all our laundry done. It was great, and we had like 5 steps that was in the laundry room, so they had hot showers and dump and everything, so we needed to kind of dump and refill and get a ton of laundry done. So we really like this place. The lady's really nice. And this morning it's raining, and we're trying to get out of here, and it's super humid. My hair is like kinked up, so but it felt good to get everything cleaned up. So we're on our way to Layard. I think maybe we'll make it halfway today. We'll see. And we're off this cloudy, rainy day to Dawson City. Mile 0. We put another couple thousand miles on, I guess. Looks like we're in Dawson Creek now. We're gonna find the mile marker 1 that everybody takes a picture by, and we're gonna join that group. Get some gas, maybe grab some lunch. Then we're on Alaskan Highway finally. Yay! It seems like it's taken us forever to get to this part. What about? Yeah. How long have we gone? To over 2,000 miles already?
Yeah, almost 25.
Can you imagine people driving from Florida? Holy cow. Oh, we're gonna stop for gas. It's still raining, rain. Mark's tired of the rain already. We better get used to it. Guess there's gonna be a lot of rain up there. The boys are hanging out. Jake woke up from his nap. We finally made it after 2,000 some miles. Yay! In 2 weeks. Oh, so excited. Can't wait. I'm gonna pull into the visitor center. I know everybody takes this picture, but what the heck?
Yeah.
Now I know why, because it takes so long to get here. It takes a long time to get here, and when you get here, you're excited. Here we go. We made it. Here we go. Okay, let's get a picture with the camper. Let me see if I can get a better angle over here. I'm gonna have to go on the other side and take a picture. Tell what. Oh, these Kodak moments, I tell you. Woohoo! There we go. There we go. There we are in front of this. Made it. Looks like some motorcyclists came too. Oh. Okay.
Where do I push?
This one? Here. Just do that one real quick and then I'll show you how to do that one. All you have to do is push that one.
Ready? Can you check it? Make sure it's good?
Oh, it's recording.
That's okay.
We made it!
Yay.
After 2,000 miles, Mark's excited.
Yeah.
Then we ended up taking about 3 or 4 other people's picture by the sign.
Why not?
So it's like people from Louisiana, Alberta, all over the place. So it was kind of cool. California motorcyclists. So
Yeah, well, they're a long way.
yeah. So when you come by here, be prepared to take other people's pictures.
Yeah, help them out.
But it's exciting. We can't wait. So this is the beginning of another journey now. See our Alaska friends.
Bye.
Just stand in line and take each other's picture. It's kind of cool. Now we're out of here. Find the place for lunch. So we filled up at Dawson Creek. And for some reason it's going through the gas a lot. Because...
Well, no. It doesn't compute. It says I've used 27 gallons. But it says I supposedly have, well, I know I have a 32-gallon tank.
The gas light is on. If you can see that, the gas light is on. So we're supposed to make it to the gas station.
14 miles to go.
We got 14 miles to go. And we should make it.
Yeah. No worries.
We need exercise anyway. We can walk. No, I'm just kidding. We have the Jeep, so we can drive somewhere and get gas. Totally forgot about that. Mark smells nice. He's so smart. Yes, we got 2 cars, so no sweat. Stuck in this traffic. Oh my gosh, we're never gonna make it to the gas station. I cannot believe this. Finally, we got out of the traffic jam. We've got 2 kilometers to go. I think we'll make it, and it's downhill. There's probably lots of skeeters. Oh yeah, there's several campers out there. I don't know about that spot. Plus, if the river rises, that wouldn't be good. All right, we made it to the gas station. Yay! Thank goodness. We made it. Yay! Were you sweating it? No. We made it, no problem, huh, dear?
Say I have miles now.
Okay, well, we're gonna see how much he puts in because he thinks the light came on really early. So we had 2 gallons left still. So it worked out fine. So we're at the demo. tourist walking community. What do you call this place? Demo what?
It's the demo forest.
The Demo Forest.
The Fort Nelson Demo Forest.
Fort Nelson. We got this sweet little spot by the trees, had our dinner. We're gonna get up early tomorrow and go to the Liard Hot Springs. Here's the walking path here. Nice little area. I don't want to go too far because there might be bears.